Integrity. Upholding moral and ethical principles in actions and values. Introduction. Integrity is a fundamental moral and ethical principle that underpins the way individuals, organizations, and societies function. It is the quality of being honest, having strong moral principles, and adhering to a set of values regardless of circumstances. Integrity goes beyond just doing the right thing. It involves consistency in thoughts, words, and actions, even when no one is watching. This concept is universally respected and plays a crucial role in building trust, maintaining relationships, and ensuring the overall well-being of individuals and communities. Key aspects of integrity. Honesty. Honesty is at the core of integrity. It involves being truthful and transparent in all interactions. Honest individuals do not manipulate facts, exaggerate, or deceive, even if it's to their advantage. They acknowledge their mistakes and take responsibility for their actions. Consistency. Individuals with integrity exhibit consistency between their beliefs, words, and actions. They align their behavior with their values and do not waver in the face of challenges or temptations. Accountability. A person of integrity takes ownership of their actions, whether they are positive or negative. They are willing to face the consequences of their decisions and are accountable to themselves and others. Trustworthiness. Integrity builds trust. People who consistently demonstrate integrity are seen as reliable, dependable, and trustworthy. Others feel comfortable relying on them and confiding in them. Ethical decision-making. Individuals with integrity prioritize ethical considerations in their decision-making processes. They evaluate choices based on their moral compass and the impact on others, rather than seeking personal gain at the expense of others. Respect for others. Integrity involves treating others with respect, empathy, and fairness. It means recognizing the inherent worth and dignity of every individual and considering their needs and feelings. Courage. Maintaining integrity can require courage, especially in situations where one's principles are challenged or when standing up for what is right might be difficult. It takes bravery to resist pressures that compromise one's values. Long-term perspective. People with integrity often prioritize long-term benefits over short-term gains. They understand that the consequences of their actions extend beyond the present moment and work to create sustainable, positive outcomes. Importance of integrity. Trust building. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship, whether personal or professional. Integrity is a cornerstone of trust, and without it, relationships can crumble. Credibility and reputation. Individuals and organizations with a reputation for integrity are highly regarded. Their credibility attracts customers, partners, and employees, fostering a positive image. Ethical leadership. Leaders who exhibit integrity set a powerful example for their followers. Their ethical leadership inspires others to follow suit, creating a culture of honesty and responsibility. Conflict resolution. In conflicts or disagreements, individuals who uphold integrity are more likely to find peaceful and just resolutions. Their commitment to fairness and open communication paves the way for understanding. Personal growth. Living with integrity encourages personal growth and self-awareness. It prompts individuals to continuously assess their values and actions, leading to greater self-improvement. Challenges to upholding integrity. Temptations. In various situations, individuals may be tempted to compromise their integrity for personal gain, financial benefits, or to avoid discomfort. Pressure from others. External pressures from peers, superiors, or societal norms can challenge a person's commitment to integrity. Fear of judgment or isolation can influence decisions. Complex moral dilemmas. Some situations present complex moral dilemmas where the right decision is not always clear. Balancing conflicting values can make it difficult to maintain integrity. Conclusion. Integrity is a moral compass that guides individuals and societies toward ethical behavior and mutual respect. It is a reflection of one's character, values, and commitment to doing what is right even when it's not the easiest path. Upholding integrity has far-reaching implications, fostering trust, positive relationships, and a sense of responsibility that contributes to the betterment of individuals and the world as a whole.